Mexican duck?
Yeah.
I didn't even know they existed or watched that on YouTube last night.
Yeah, I know some guys over there, they came up home, but they actually started in Canada, worked their way all the way down to the Pacific Flyway. I've been like 2016 on the road. They came home like 4 days. So they were like, "Do you ever want to come?"
How's it going, everybody? We're out here. Third day snow goose hunting in Arkansas. 21st of February. First day slow, second day a little better. 17 birds, and today I don't know. Saw a lot of different migrators, so see how it all shakes out. It's been a different change for sure from Minnesota as far as weather goes. Today's supposed to be like a high of 70, so. But yeah, I've been trying to get good footage for you guys. It's been difficult. Every time I putting the phone away, birds are coming in, and just so yeah, let's see how it shakes out. Stay tuned. I'll catch you in a bit.
Wrong side, left side. Too bad.
Yeah. Dead calm.
What if somebody getting shot down?
Shoot him there.
Kill him.
That was the heavy shot, boys.
That was the finally.
Lots and lots.
These are getting close right here, that small group.
Yeah.
Start calling them. That's close.
That's pretty cool.
Hey, you guys, we got a couple decent groups. Huh? A couple decent groups.
Shoot him right there. Shoot him right there.
Fuck yeah, boys! Fuck yeah!
Fuck right. Woo! Yeah. Got fucking. Fuck yeah.
Woo! Heck yeah. Watch the single here.
To mount it. Anybody want to mount it?
Well, we'll have to draw straws.
I think everybody's wanting to.
I'll keep it tucked away from these other birds. So
Yeah,
don't
that's
get
fine.
messed up. Shit.
We'll draw straws on it.
Yeah, we'll have to.
Yeah.
Shoot him right there. So hard. Yeah, he did. Flying everywhere. Tito here. Shoot them both. Shoot them both.
I got the back bird. Woo! One shot and you fucking fooled it.
You got it.
That's fucking bad.
Dude, oh man. Shoot him.
Fucking hey, dude.
That was fucking bad. Shoot them both. Shoot them both.
Got him. I got the back
Fuck
bird.
yeah, buddy.
One shot, he fucking folded.
That's fucking badass.
Oh, man.
That's fucking
That
badass.
is a big ass.
Is that the bird, the right bird?
That's a, yeah.
That's yours.
That's mine. That's going on the wall.
That's a big one, dude. That's a giant.
Fucking right. Nice one too. Yeah. Great on him.
Shoot him there.
There we go. Holy. Every single one of them.
Shoot him right there. Tito here. Here!
Can't believe I didn't drop. Oh, there's one dropping.
Back! Back! Back!
I've seen him like running this as well.
That's some guy. So here's the guide. And this dog is on the other side of this damn field. You see that white dot bouncing? That's the dog bringing the bird back.
Oh, there's behind us. Right above us.
Unbelievable.
Those are right above us.
The best retrieve I've ever seen personally.
Dude, that is fucking unreal.
If I can find him in the camera again. Oh, there it is. Right in
That's the longest one I've ever seen him do.
right in the center of the camera.
That was fucking cool, man. That was fucking cool.
Right out front.
Shoot him there.
There we go.
Woo!
Holy shit. Oh, dog mark.
Shoot him there.
Nice shot. Fuck yeah. I did. You did? Yeah.
You kill him, I kill him.
You shoot
You guys shot at the same exact. Hey, sit back down real quick. Sit back down. See what this one does.
Is that a juvie one?
Looks like a juvie. Still think they look pretty damn cool though.
Old purple birds.
Oh, this is about
That's a big juvie.
that one didn't circle back in. You got to go back on.
Mount it. Shoot him right there.
Oh, there he is. Got my rod on. He was out there always.
Jesus. Took forever to get on him.
Damn.
Yo, suck that! Shoot him there.
So there it is, guys. He's got back last night. As that intro was on the last day, I actually compiled everything in, so it looks kind of weird. So it did the intro, and then pretty much I just put all 3 days worth of hunting into this video. I didn't break down each day and what's going on. It was slow. I mean, overall, I think we shot, I think it was 23 when we left. The Indiana boys, they shot another 3 the next morning, and then they took off. So since it was a further drive for me, you know, it was roughly 15 hours, I decided to boogie on out early in the morning. But overall, I thought it was a fun trip. it was nice seeing, you know, friends I haven't seen for a decade, and it was unique. It's totally different than mallard hunting or, you know, Canadian geese. It was fun, and I came back with a meal's worth of meat and one to put on the wall. So all in all, yeah, it's a different country. Yeah, I would do it again, but I would do it probably in a different location. Arkansas, for some odd reason, is just, it ain't happening. It's just a struggle, and it's hunting. So, but yeah, I'm gonna finish unpacking from the trip, and yeah, if you can, please like, share, subscribe, and who knows what's coming up next, but I'll catch you later.